What is going on, everybody? Lillian Finance and the Lillian Bay Foundation. You know them. I've talked about them a bunch of times, and guess what? A Tier 1 exchange is about to be announced. It's going to be announced on November 23rd. Today is November the 19th, which means you got 4 days to pack your bag. And let me tell you something. There's a whole lot of people packing a whole lot of bags, a whole lot of right now. It's not financial advice, but I'm always right.
I'm trying to put money in your pocket, that crypto wallet, that bing bada bing ching ching big profit. Even when the market's sideways, I'm looking for ways to get paid. I'm checking my coins around breakfast, then again around bedtime. Bet this, it's not financial advice, but I'm always right.
All right, guys, here you can see we are up 75% in the last 24 hours, 134% over the last 1 week. And you can see right here, we talked about this right here. I told you 2746, we made it in purple because it represented one of those lines that was going to be very difficult. We crossed over, got below it, but maintained it as a level of support, and then just continued to consolidate. And what was going on at this point along this line right here? This is when we were working on that Tier 1 listing, and we knew that something was coming. You didn't know what was coming other than, maybe there was going to be a Tier 1, but you knew something was in the works and that something good was about to happen. Well, the shoe just dropped. We just got notified November 23rd, there will be a Tier 1 listing. And from here, you can see the price has started to explode. And the question now is, how far will it go? Is this going to get on one of those volt type runs? Well, it's already running. And if you really just kind of take a moment and step back just a bit, then you can see here that it has been on an absolutely monumental sort of tear. And it has done a great job of respecting these lines, these boundaries, and continue to mint new highs. Here we are right now, and here's hoping this thing starts to pump just a little bit higher. And over here you can say, in case y'all didn't know, but the first huge Tier 1 centralized exchange will be announced. Lillian Finance listing date and time 11/23, or it could be listed on 11/23. We're not really sure exactly which one it is yet. It is yet, but it is absolutely coming. And guys, don't miss out. Don't FOMO, because you only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. I read that somewhere. It's not financial advice. My name is Bleeves. I am always right. We will talk to you guys again very soon.
I'm looking for the good life, good life. Sitting on top of the world, I wanna be shining like diamonds and pearls. I want you to go there with me, girl. I'm looking for the good life, good